Heck, time to go plow snow again. I think I'll just kick up the snowblower. Just clean this out of here real quick. So we're supposed to get like a foot. I don't know, maybe a foot. Foot and a half. It's coming down really good right now, so guess nobody's gonna be going out to watch the football tonight. What's up, YouTube? We're having a mini ice age here. Everything is just ice. The roads are icy. Look at all this ice here. This is crazy. Because I plowed my driveway, you know, I get all this ice from road melt. And they don't even put salt down here for me. Wow, because I plowed my road. I'm going to scrape up some of this stuff off the road here, I think. And just, the temperature rose to like 30, 33. Huh? What? Everybody's like, the whole yard is ice. Ice. The guy's gonna salt my driveway. That's pretty cool. Because it's all solid ice. I mean, it's ridiculous. That's cool. The guy actually salted my driveway. You believe it? That's really cool. You know, I mean, that's looking out. You know, that's what they should do. Help people and not just let people hang. You know, I mean, because you're paying to live here, and you wanna, you know, they gotta help people. You know. So you can see all this brown stuff on here. And I'll zoom up a little bit. See all that brown stuff there. I mean, there shouldn't be this much traffic on the roads. Oh, it's melting. It's melting. That's good. That's good. That was a water pocket, and it just got my. I gotta go change my shoes now. I'm soaking wet. Sleigh ride in track. It was really icy, guys. I came through here last night with the snowblower. Let me get in. Freezing. Let me get in. I'm freezing. There's ice on the trees. I don't know if you guys can see The Shining. Not the movie. The Shining on the trees. I can't see nothing. That's the sun reflecting ice off the trees. I mean, we got hammered with the ice. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. Come on, son, warm us up. It's freezing. So that's cool. We got salted. How's the antenna, guys? Oh, man, I was out here last night. Remember? Listen. Well, the antenna's doing good, man. Look at that. Awesome, guys. I gotta get to Home Depot, but it's bad time of the year right now, guys. I'm gonna be building an awesome antenna. And I might even start selling a few of them, you know, on eBay. But I'll let you guys know if I do that. Thanks for watching. Freezing. I gotta get inside, get one.